Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Sijovi George. Those who are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and those who are with us, keep supporting me. In this video, we are going to discuss some topics of this chapter: crop production and management. They are: first point is application of fertilizers and manure. Second point is protection from weeds. Third point is protection of birds, animals and diseases. Fourth point is harvesting and threshing. Fifth point is storage of food grains. And sixth point is food from animal sources. Application of fertilizers and manures. To maintain the fertility of the soil, some nutrients must be added to it. This is done by adding fertilizers and manures to the soil. What is fertilizer? It is a man-made inorganic compound or a mixture of compounds which supplies specific nutrients to the soil. What is manure? It is a mixture of inorganic and organic substances which is obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung, human waste and plant residues. The differences between a fertilizer and a manure. In the case of fertilizer, is an organic substances that is prepared in the factories. In the case of manure, is a mixture of organic and inorganic substances that is prepared in our farms. In the case of a fertilizers, provides a specific nutrient to the soil. In the case of a manure, provides more than one nutrients to the soil. In the case of a fertilizers has high concentration of plant nutrients. In the case of a manure has low concentration of soil nutrients. Protection from weeds or weeding. Weeds are the undesirable plants which grow along with the main crops. The process of removing weeds from a crop field is known as weeding. Next point is weedicides. The chemical substances which destroy or kill weeds but do not harm the crops are called weedicides. Common weedicides are 2,4-D butachlor MCPA. Protection of crops from birds, animals and diseases. First one, protection from stray animals by putting up a fence all around a field. Second point, protection from birds. Birds can be scared away from the field by beating a drum. Third one, protection against diseases. Plants are also damaged by diseases caused by fungi, bacteria and viruses. Harvesting and threshing. The process of cutting and gathering of a mature crop is termed as harvesting. Cereal crops change their color to golden yellow at the time of maturity. Threshing. The process of separating grains from the harvested crop is called threshing. Nowadays, crop harvesting is done by certain machines are called combine or harvester. Winnowing. The process of separating grains from chaff and hay with the help of wind is called winnowing. Winnowing can also be done with the help of machine is called a winnowing machine. Storage of food grains. Storage of food grains is an important task. If the harvested grains are to be kept for a long time, they should be safe from moisture, insects, rats, and microorganisms. Farmers store grains in jute bags or metallic bins. Large scale storage of grains is done in silos and granaries to protect them from pests and insects. In first picture, we can see that storage in open using gunny bags or jute bags covered with plastic sheets. In second picture, we can see that grain storage in grain silos. It is tall and cylindrical structured metallic bins used for storage in higher quantity. The last and final topic of this chapter is food from animal sources. They are dairy, poultry, and apiculture. Dairying, rearing cattle from producing milk and milk products on large scale is called dairying or dairy. Various types of milk producing animals are shown in picture. We can see that some milk product also. Poultry, rearing and breeding of poultry for eggs and meat is called poultry farming. A poultry farm is shown in below picture. Second one, fisheries or pisciculture, the production of fish on large scale by farming fish. Culture in fish nurseries is called pisciculture. Seafoods are shown below. Apiculture, the rearing of honeybees on large scale is known as apiculture. The first picture is related to honeybee rearing and the second picture related to beehive. First chapter is over. Thank you for watching my channel. I will come back soon with a new video.